Pontiac Vibe. The all-new 2009 Pontiac Vibe is a modern remix of a classic hit, infusing the functionality of a compact crossover with a bolder attitude of muscular styling, increased performance and tight handling. It arrives in dealer showrooms in early 2008. Adding the richer harmony to the tune, the popular all-wheel drive and GT model return to the Vibe lineup. Regardless of the model, each Vibe offers a level of athletic design, boosted performance and everyday versatility uncommon in the price range. With the 2009 Vibe, we knew we wanted to take everything we liked about the original and push it to the next level. More power, more style, more versatility, said Craig Clearly, Pontiac Marketing Director. It has the interior room and cargo capability expected of a larger SUV, but with the precise handling characteristics you would expect from any Pontiac. Engine performance packing more off-the-line power than ever before. The 09 Vibe delivers the type of responsive performance needed to safely navigate those unexpected everyday driving situations. The 132 horsepower 98 kilowatts 1.8 DOHC 4-cylinder is standard on base models and delivers 128 pounds-feet. 174 Nm of torque. The engine benefits from dual variable valve timing, optimizing both performance and efficiency, and is matched to a standard 5-speed manual transmission or optional 4-speed automatic. Customers desiring higher performance can opt for the larger 2.4L DOHC engine with 158 horsepower 118 kilowatts and 162 pounds-feet. 224 Nm of torque. The 2.4L engine is standard on AWD and GT models, and is optional on the base model. Pontiac Vibe 2009 Pontiac Vibe. A 4-speed automatic transmission is standard on the AWD. Customers of the 2.4L equipped base or GT models can choose between the standard 5-speed manual transmission or a new 5-speed electronically controlled automatic transmission featuring driver shift control DSC, which delivers a great combination of performance, fuel economy and smoothness. With DSC, the driver can manually select gears via tap-up/tap-down controls. Fuel economy. With the 1.8L engine and the standard manual transmission, EPA fuel economy is estimated at 26 miles per gallon in the city and 32 miles per gallon on the highway. With the automatic, fuel economy is estimated at 25 in the city and 31 on the highway. The 2.4L engine on the GT is estimated at 21 miles per gallon in the city and 28 on the highway with the manual transmission and 21 city/29 highway with the 5-speed automatic. On the AWD model, the 2.4L/4-speed automatic combination delivers an estimated 20 miles per gallon in the city and 26 on the highway. Ride and handling. Driving dynamics of the new Vibe have been refined to deliver a responsive driving experience, with a special focus on reduced noise, vibration and harshness. An array of chassis control systems enhances ride and handling, as well as safety. The Vibe has a body integral structure with underbody rails running from front to rear, giving the structure exceptional strength and a strong foundation on which to anchor the suspension systems. All models employ a McPherson strut front suspension design. The base model has a torsion beam rear suspension that is revised for a more comfortable ride, while the AWD and GT model use a multi-link independent rear suspension for even sharper responses and enhanced driving control. 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS are standard on all models, as is electronic stability control and traction control. Steering control is augmented with an electric power steering system, providing variable effort performance, and because there is no engine-driven power steering pump, enhanced fuel economy. Exterior design: the Vibe has the looks to back up its performance. With a clean, athletic form, the Vibe's new exterior exemplifies the future of Pontiac's design: clean, purposeful shapes and a decidedly sophisticated aesthetic. The new Vibe's appearance melds the space-enabling design of a small SUV with a forward-looking profile, furthering the groundbreaking design pioneered by the original Vibe, launched in 2002. All of the sheet metal is new, with minimal gaps that reinforce the Vibe's tailored appearance. A faster windshield angle contributes to the sleeker look, while large wheels and minimal overhangs give the vehicle an aggressive, firmly planted stance. The new Vibe's design is sporty yet completely functional, said Rhonda Selton, chief designer. Clean lines, minimal overhangs and wheels pushed to the corners give the vehicle a muscular stance. Vibe's three models, base, AWD and GT, are distinguished from one another with unique styling cues. For example, the AWD features a standard roof rack perfect for outdoor activities. The GT has its own front fascia, with larger fog lamps and lower fascia air intake, rocker moldings, roof spoiler and a bright exhaust tip. All models offer distinctive wheel options. Interior design and features: like the exterior, the 09 Vibe's interior is all new and has a driver-focused cockpit design more common to sports cars. The controls and gauges were redesigned for easier use, but retain the performance-oriented look and feel, and the interior quality and craftsmanship are reflected in class-leading gap/flush tolerances. Interior material refinement is also stepped up a notch in the new Vibe, with a combination of low-gloss materials, varied grains on the instrument panel and other trim components, and satin metal accents. New, knit fabric seating surfaces are durable and have a premium look, while GT models are enhanced with standard leather trimmed seats, 3-spoke steering wheel and shift knob. Seating for 5 is standard on all models. The Vibe's interior also is loaded with standard amenities not typically found in other vehicles in the segment, including a steering column with telescoping/rake adjustability, the 115-volt, 3-prong auxiliary power outlet, 6-way adjustable driver's seat and front active headrests.